Hello everyone, today I will show you how to cross out text in a PDF file and add a pop-up text. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and click at this comment option, and here you will find this replace text with cross out. Click here and drag your mouse cursor and select your text you want to replace, and see this is a pop-up box now showing it, and type your text here and see this. Now click on this right sidebar arrow and you can change this text color. You can make it bold, italic. Also you can change font size. Yeah, this is. Click here and see this. Double click and open. And again click on this replace text option and select your text and see this. In this way you can add this replace text and pop-up comments. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.